Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you want to boost customer engagement and turn visitors into buyers, adding a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store is a smart move. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to get a WhatsApp chat widget up and running, right on your storefront. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make it easy for your customers to reach you instantly right from your website, which can mean more sales and happier shoppers. Let's jump right in. We'll start within your Shopify admin panel. After logging in, look at the menu on the lower left. Click on Settings. It's always a good idea to remember that most of Shopify's key features and third-party integrations are tucked away inside Settings. So if you're ever stuck, that's where you'll want to start exploring. From here, go ahead and select Apps and Sales Channels. This is essentially your control center for all the add-ons and extensions that make your store more powerful. Once you're there, notice the Shopify App Store option. Click it to open the App Store within Shopify. It's just like browsing apps on your phone. Time to search for the tool we need. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. There are a few different WhatsApp integration apps, but to keep things simple and reliable, I recommend one called Dondi WhatsApp. You'll see it pop up in the results. Click on it to see the details, then select Install. Don't worry, installation is straightforward, and if you ever want to remove it later, you can always do that in your apps list. Once Dondi WhatsApp is installed, you'll find yourself on the configuration page. You should see an option that says Add WhatsApp button. Click it. This is where the real customization starts. Think of it like setting up your store's own hotline directly to your customers' phones. First, you'll enter your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure you enter it accurately with the correct country code, because this is how customers will reach you. It might seem simple, but double-check it. This step is crucial for making sure those messages land in your inbox, not someone else's. Next up, you get to choose the size of your WhatsApp button. Think about your website's layout. A larger button is great for mobile users because it's easy to tap, while a more subtle button might blend in better on desktop. Try to match the style to your branding and your customers' preferences. Now, choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on the page. Most people prefer it in the lower right corner. It's visible but not intrusive, much like that friendly shopkeeper waiting behind the counter instead of blocking the doorway. One of my favorite features is the pre-filled message. This is what pops up when someone starts a chat. For example, you can set it to say, "Hi, I have a question about your products," which encourages your customers to start the conversation and makes it easier for both of you. If you've got set business hours, you can customize your availability too. This is helpful if you don't want customers expecting replies late at night, or if you want to show a different message during non-working times. Take a minute here to set your custom working hours. It keeps expectations clear. Now, select your WhatsApp type. This usually distinguishes between a regular WhatsApp number and a WhatsApp business account. If you're running a store, WhatsApp Business gives you more control and features, so it's worth switching to that if you haven't already. Next, you'll choose your chat button. This is the call to action your customers will see, like chat with us or need help. Make it friendly and inviting, but clear about the value you're offering. After everything is set up just the way you want, go ahead and click Save. This part can take a few moments while Shopify adds the widget to your site. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes you might need to refresh your store page. And that's it. You've just added a WhatsApp widget to your Shopify site. Now your visitors can start chatting with you instantly, making your store more approachable and responsive. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I check those regularly, and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Shopify tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.